From the Weather NorCal Command Center, this is your afternoon update.
Cascade Paint and Supply is Reading's oldest family-owned paint store, established in 1953. We are the largest Dunn Edwards dealer in the nation, and most of our products are made in the U.S. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff are ready to answer your questions and help you today.
Well, we saw a lot of thunderstorms in the mountains over the weekend and even last week. And, the thing is, when we look at our weather headlines, we're talking about more mountain showers and thunderstorms at least through midweek. But the valley, for the most part, looks to remain dry. We've got quite a bit of a warming trend taking you through this week with triple-digit heat, especially for the lower elevations by Thursday, most likely Friday and even into the weekend. Let's take a look at our planner for the North Coast, and you can see the mostly cloudy skies, upper 50s to around 60 for places like Eureka and Crescent City. Hoopa, I think it'll be dry with partly cloudy skies and a temperature of about 86 degrees. And for the valley, it's warming up. I think we'll see upper 80s, even some low 90s. Warmer spots northward in Reading, about 92. Chico, not quite as warm, but still up to about 89 degrees. And for the mountains, I think Weaverville, Wairika, Mount Shasta, all seeing a chance for showers and thunderstorms. And it looks like Susanville, Bernie too. But Paradise, I think you'll remain dry. Looking at sunny skies there with a high of about 80 degrees. So we did see those thunderstorms yesterday. And you can clearly see it here on the satellite and radar. That has since then kind of moved on out. Now there are some clouds moving through the coast, and that's going to keep us under the mostly cloudy skies. But the overall trend has been this trough of low pressure, keeping our temperatures mild and keeping the atmosphere unsettled, essentially meaning thunderstorms that we've seen mainly in the mountains. But even over the last week, we've seen some of that activity in the valley. That's why we can't rule out some valley activity here over the next few days. But I just think those chances are pretty darn slim going into this afternoon and tomorrow afternoon. But the main focus is going to be the heat. July 2nd through July 6th, we've got above normal temperatures in the forecast. So let's take a look at Futurecast and take a look at the chances for thunderstorms. Already, as we go into the early afternoon hours, we're beginning to see some activity begin to pop up. This is 3 o'clock this afternoon. We're seeing those showers and thunderstorms pretty much just isolated for all of the higher elevations, but nothing in the valley. Now, as we go into about 5 p.m., we're seeing some activity trying to come off the mountains from the west, but it just doesn't quite survive. So we can't rule out maybe a stray shower or two for parts of the valley, but as you can see, most of it will be in the mountains. We go into about 10 o'clock tonight, and it's fairly dry. I mean, just a little bit of leftover activity in the eastern mountains. We're taking it Tuesday, same story. It looks like maybe a better chance for some of those clouds kind of coming in for Tuesday afternoon for parts of the valley, and maybe even a stray shower just coming into the west side of the valley, just coming off those mountains. But as you can see, it's a pretty slim chance. There's 5 p.m. on Tuesday, and it's, maybe a stray shower. And even an off chance for an isolated thunderstorm for the valley. But otherwise, you've got the thunderstorms in the mountains, and you've got the fog continuing, those low clouds and fog along the coast. All right, let's take you into Wednesday. And you can see more of those pop-up cumulus clouds by the noon hour on Wednesday. And then by the afternoon, we're not seeing as much activity. In fact, you'll notice basically from Modoc County westward, it should stay dry. I don't have any showers or thunderstorms for you in Mount Shasta, but say the Southern Cascades and Northern Sierra, you've got that chance for Wednesday afternoon. All right, let's take a look at our forecast for today. You've got temperatures in the low 90s, about 90 give or take for the valley. And for the mountains, chance for showers and thunderstorms for pretty much everyone in the higher elevations. It's a chance. I don't think everyone will see it. But Hoopa, for example, you'll be dry with a high of 86, 60 in Crescent City, and 58 degrees in Eureka. Let's take a look at our forecast for tonight. We're dropping down to the upper 50s, low 60s for the valley. Still some lingering showers and possible thunderstorms this evening, but overnight, of course, it'll start to dry out and cool down to the mid to upper 40s. And along the coast, mostly cloudy skies, temperatures in the low 50s. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast, there's that chance for showers and thunderstorms for Monday, Tuesday, including Mount Shasta City. El Turris, that could linger on into Wednesday, but the chances get slimmer by Wednesday, and that's also the case for Susanville. Looking at your 7-day forecast for Reading, you notice I got the slight chance in there. Don't count on it, okay? If you work outside, don't be surprised if you see a passing sprinkler or light shower late in the day, in the evening hours, but it's mainly going to be dry. It's really Weaverville, west of the valley, that we can see some of those showers and thunderstorms. But even Weaverville will dry out by Wednesday. And then the coast, you're going to be looking at temperatures upper 50s to around 60 by the time we get into Wednesday, mid 60s. So even the coast will be warming up toward the end of this week and into the weekend.